black bean and cheese stuffed chile relleno. We have these gorgeous poblano peppers. All we have to do is char them all over on the stove top. If you have a gas burning stove, you can just char them with the actual flame, or underneath the broiler. No biggie, everybody's got one of those. And then we let them cool, and then we can peel their outer skin off like paper. We have 2 pans going here, and this guy is jalapeno and onion and a little garlic I just threw in right as we got started there. This one is onion and garlic, no jalapeno. And we're just cooking this until translucent, till the onions start to become sweet. This is the ranchero sauce. This little bowl has the ranchero spice blend. So we're gonna put in to 3 tablespoons of our base chili powder that you make or buy, right? We're gonna add about a half a tablespoon or a teaspoon and a half a palmful each of coriander and cumin, love to hang out, and oregano, a little Mexican oregano, a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half. Then we're gonna add this to the ranchero sauce and toast it up a little bit. So for the black bean filling, I'm adding a splash of water, or you can use any sort of vegetable stock you like. A little splash of water is fine. And we're cooking out jalapeno, onion, and a little garlic. To that, we're gonna add this mixture. This is very similar, but we're just taking these 2 guys. Cumin and coriander are coming with us to town, okay? Boop! I'm gonna add a little bit of smoked cinnamon. Of course, you can just use a pinch of cinnamon. Here's our black pepper. Some salt over the shoulder for luck. And we're filling 6 peppers. So we need a couple of cans, 2 cans of our black beans. And we're gonna let those kind of stew up all together. I've taken 1 brick of any easy melting cheese. I chose cheddar and a Monterey Jack with peppers. So I have pepper jack and cheddar. We're going to start filling each pepper with the cheese mixture on the bottom. Then it's going to get the beans and then a little more cheese on top. So a little bit of cayenne pepper sauce down into the beans. In the ranchero sauce, the sauce that we're going to line the casserole with and top the beans with, we add vegetable stock or chicken stock, depending on whether or not you're making a vegetarian version. About a cup to a cup and a half. So we're gonna let this cook out just a couple minutes so it gets nice and smooth. And we want the beans to thicken up a little bit, guys. And then we can move forward with the dish. The ranchero sauce also has tomatoes, and you can use any diced tomato in your pantry. I like fire roasted tomatoes with mine so that we're really highlighting all those fiery flavors. We're just trying to get our vegetarian Mexican giant supper into the oven. On top of the black beans, we're putting more of our ranchero sauce. I have a little more sauce we can pass at the table. I used 2 bricks of cheese, so about 20 ounces total for 2 pans worth. A lot of food. 2 pans worth of stuffed peppers. These are so gorgeous. The oven is on 425. It doesn't really matter. You just want a hot oven with the rack at the center. All we're doing is melting cheese and heating these guys back through. Oh, are these beauties or what, guys? I had to split the order into 2 pans because there were so many. So now we're going to finish the dish. Cilantro and scallions going on top. And then toasted pepitas.